How to install resin grinding wheel on the vertical surface grinder. Fixing the resin grinding wheel on the flange. Change the button to changing the grinding wheel. Install 2 pieces metal support base on the grinder. Put 2 pieces grinding wheel loading and unloading guide rod on the machine. Place the upper and lower grinding wheels on the loading and unloading guide rod respectively. The upper grinding head spindle is aligned with the upper flange hole. Put the button upper grinding head down. Install the M16 screw connecting the main shaft flange of the upper grinding head. Put the button lower grinding head up. Install the M16 screw connecting the main shaft flange of the lower grinding head. Finally, adjust the coordinates of the upper and lower grinding heads to 0.